How to see the deleted stories on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to see the deleted stories that you have deleted recently, here is how you can see it. You can even recover it within the 30 days from the recently deleted folder. For this, first of all, head over to Play Store or App Store. After this, tap on the search bar and type in Instagram. If there is an update button available for the Instagram application, make sure to tap on it. This way, you will confirm on using the latest version. Head over to Instagram and log in into your account. Then, after, go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Then, after, scroll down to find your activity section. Hereby, you can see your removed and archived content. Tap on Recently Deleted folder with a dustbin icon. Here you can see all the folders of deleted stories that you recently did. You can even see the number of days until which it will be permanently deleted. Tap on it and tap on the three dots on the bottom right corner. This way you can either delete, restore or turn off commenting for the story. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.